Okay, guys, last session we were considering the idea of something that goes at the beginning with the phrases, no? That probably synthesize or summarize with the quotes, no? The idea of the paragraph. And yesterday I asked you to go on paragraph B in order to answer these three questions. Okay, please, I would like that all of you go to paragraph V. Go to paragraph B. And I'm going to ask questions. A ver, ya está. Miss, I don't have my book right now. Yeah. Here in the in the screen, you can observe. Yes, can you observe? Okay, read this paragraph because based on this paragraph, I'm going to tell you the question. Okay? So, read and I'm going to call some students. Okay, Lucia.
Sí,
According to the
Miss.
author, for crowd intelligence to work, how should the individuals behave?
Um, each member has to be responsible and make their own decisions.
Perfect, Lucia, no? Each member needs to behave, needs to act responsibly and make their own decisions. So, number one, our friend Lucia provide us the answer, no? Miss, but it says behave. And what is to behave? Act, no? And make their own decisions. Very good. Number two. Micaela. What example of an everyday activity does the author give to illustrate this point?
When people they wonder if recycling the extra bottle is important.
Excellent, Micaela. Very good, no? Recycling. No? That is an example of a very everyday activity, no? That illustrate, so if I recycle that or those bottles, no? I am acting responsibly and I make this as my own decision, no? Because I know that we generate as human with the use of plastic, no, an impact on the planet. Okay, and this idea of it's really worth, no, valuable recycling that extra bottle to lighten our impact on the planet and the bottom line. By the way, who can tell me what means bottom line? I put 20,
It's like what you are trying to say.
Okay, trying to say.
It
Okay.
could be like the meaning of the whole speech. For example, if someone is telling you a lot of words, really a pretty large speech, the bottom line is what the exact thing he wants to say.
Like synthesize or summarize.
Yeah.
Go directly to the point. Okay. Okay, that is a good idea. Alexandra?
It's like the essential idea is the main idea.
Essential, the crucial. Remember the essential, the crucial idea. Okay. So that is the idea, no? The bottom line, so the crucial, the main idea is that our actions matter even if we don't see how. Very good. Thank you, Alexandra, and thank you, Lucia. And thank you, Micaela. Number 3. Let's see, number 3. What small swarms are you part of? What small swarms are you part of? Are you part of recycling? Yes or no? Of course, Miss Milagros. In San Antonio School, we got this idea, no? And we use a container, no? Especially for that, the reason. What other things you are doing, no? You are taking your responsibility and make your own decision. For example, crowdsourcing, you're part of that, crowdfunding, other activities, no, that we have involved. Okay, guys. Now let's go quickly to our main concern of today, the idea of complex sentences. Okay, we have seen this, I think, 2 units ago. Okay, it means that we need to identify which of the depending clause, the main clause, the verb, the object, no, in a statement. For example, number 1. And these are kind of questions in which I detect the direct or indirect object, remember, in a sentence. So who can tell me the answer in number 1? What is Dorigo's group doing? It's easy, huh? Is there the answer? What is Dorigo?
It's leading a European group to create a swarmanoid.
Okay, yeah. What Lucia did is she obtained only the answer and copy and paste there, no? Leading a European effort to create swarmanoid. Yeah, she put it here. Excellent. Other student will go directly. It says, just they are creating a swarmanoid. Or they are doing a swarmanoid. Okay, that could be, no? Yes or no? Yeah. Leading a European effort to create, yeah. But the idea is they are creating a swarmanoid. Okay? Now, guys, what is a swarmanoid? Who can tell me what is a swarmanoid? Quickly.
A robot with complementary abilities.
Okay, a group of cooperating robots with complementary abilities. Remember, a group of cooperating robots with complementary abilities. So this is the answer in letter B. Yeah. Now, who can tell me what is the depending clause? Which of these is the depending clause?
A group of cooperating robots with complementary abilities.
Correcto, ¿no? ¿Qué pasa si yo solamente uso esa oración? No se comprende el mensaje, ¿verdad? Si yo la dejo solita, necesita o requiere que la anterior información. Por eso se le llama depending, depends from another, ¿ok? Miss, and what is this at the beginning? At the beginning, taking this idea on one step further. Could be the initial phrase, yes or no? Initial phrase, remember? That introduce the topic. Very good. So guys, in this, which of the verb is leading, no? Is leading is the verb, And the object, a European effort to create a swarmanoid, no? In this case. Sentence 2, who can tell me what was the
Bocanegra.
result? Okay, Bocanegra, what was the result?
Was convincing
Convincing?
simulation of flocking.
Flocking, very good, Lucerito, no? So the complete answer of Lucero was like this. The result, that is the subject, was a convincing simulation of flocking. This is, no? The clause. Letter B. What did the simulation include? Who can tell me? What did the simulation include? It's easy, huh? It's the same word.
Lifelike and unpredictable movements.
Okay, very good. It's this. Lifelike and unpredictable movement, as Lucia said. Lifelike and unpredictable movements. Who can tell me what is the depending clause? The depending clause. Depending clause. The depending clause is let's go, guys. A ver, de repente Camila, que está bien entretenida ahí, puede decirnos la respuesta. ¿Cuál sería la depending clause of number 2, Camila?
I don't know.
Ya, pay attention, pay attention. Micaela, you got it? No? ¿Cuál de estas, no, statements que van acompañados de comas, no? Sería la depending clause.
When set in motion on a computer screen.
Ya, claro. Esto sería una depending clause porque solita no se entiende nada. Muy bien. ¿Cuál sería la otra depending clause?
Including lifelike and unpredictable movements.
Correcto, ¿no? Esa sería la depending clause 1 and the depending clause 2, ¿no? Porque solas no significan nada. Correcto. ¿Y cuál es la main clause? The result was convincing simulation. La, 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 la. Perfect. Guys, remember, you need to identify this today because as soon as you finish, you have to take the exam, ¿no? Vamos con la número 3. Okay, what was zipping down the main hall? What was zipping down the main hall? A ver, ¿quién me dice la respuesta de la letra A? A ver, ¿quién encontró la respuesta de la letra, de la número 3, la letra A? De repente José. A ver, Fabián.
Resembling a group of large insects.
Ya, esa es tu respuesta. Gracias, Lucero. A ver, Alexandra.
The foot long 30 centimeters red robots.
Ya, esa es la respuesta de Alexandra. Creo que también Steffi, ¿no? Ya. ¿Quién me da la respuesta? A ver, ¿quién más? Una tercera respuesta.
Robots.
Ajá. Muy bien. Ahí estamos. Red robots. Red robots. Missy, ¿por qué no le puso the foot long red robots? Ya. The foot long, it's a something external que le ponen, ¿no? Pero el sujeto vendría a ser red robots. Acuérdate que en la lectura hay muchas características y los dividen cada uno de los sujetos en diferentes. Entonces, en este caso, red robots sería. What did they look like? Ahora sí, dame a características de él. ¿Qué característica está antes? Sorry?
They are red.
Ya.
The foot long.
Eso. Foot long 30 centímetros. Ajá. Ya está. resembling a group of large insects. What is resembling? Looks like, it says. Is the synonym, no? The synonym of looks like, it's resembling. It's likeling a group of large insects. So what did they look like? They look like large insects. This word means this. Okay? So the answer is large insects. Okay, guys. Excellent, Alexandra. Very good. Okay, guys. So I hope that you do your best of today's session in MyLT. If not, try again. And if not, see you in, I don't know, January probably to take it this, okay? Send me any message by your web. Ask for help when it's time. No